Thank you for taking the time out to watch this quick training video called How to Set Up Your Business Profile. It's very simple to configure your business profile on your dashboard, so let's get into it. So when you're logged in on your dashboard and you click on the Setup tab on the left-hand side and you choose Setup Profile up here at the top, you'll find all the information or elements that are contained within your business profile. And you can easily edit any of the information here by simply using the edit buttons below each section. Now, just a reminder, the business profile is a standalone searchable website that we create for every business that's using our platform. And this website is indexed by Google. It's got all of the basic information about your business, the name of the business, the hours you're open, your telephone number, your address, your email address, your website, etc., and all of the reviews are stored here. You can change the photo, you can change any of the information that's on this business website, this business profile, under the Setup Profile button. So the first section has to do with the basic information about your business, the name of your business, the category of business, the address, the phone number, the fax number, the email address for the business, and the website. We pull all of this information directly from your website, so it should be perfect. But should you ever need to edit any of this information, simply click on Edit, and you can make any changes. Below that, the description of the business. We pull this directly from your website, but if you need to change this, you can use Edit. And this is the information that displays when someone clicks on the About Us tab on your business profile. It sort of gives them a little blurb about, what kind of a business you are, that kind of thing. Typically, it's like the mission statement for the business. Okay, services offered. This should be a list of all the services that folks can make appointments for your business. So in this dental clinic that we're looking at, as our example today, they could have appointments for teeth whitening, dental implants, Invisalign, caps, root canal therapy, extractions, or routine cleanings. And this populates a drop-down menu that's found under the Appointment tab. So people can request appointments through your business profile. They can pick out a date and time they'd like to come in, for example. And there will always be a drop-down menu where they can say what would the appointment be for or about. Maybe you need root canal therapy done, that kind of thing. So the drop-down menu here under the Appointments tab is populated by this services list here. So make sure that all the various services that you offer as a business are listed here. Okay, keywords. These are phrases that we can attach to reviews that we syndicate to our syndication partner websites. And by attaching these key phrases along with the reviews, this is going to help you in terms of search results at places like Bing and Yahoo and Google. So the keywords or phrases for this dental clinic at the moment are Milwaukee Dentist, 53207 Dentist, Milwaukee Cosmetic Dentist, Bayview Dentist, and 53207 Teeth Whitening. These are excellent. You want to make sure that each phrase is separated by a comma. And I think in terms of best practices, you want to make sure that each phrase has a geographical element. So it doesn't just say dentist, it says Milwaukee Dentist or 53207 Dentist or Bayview Dentist. This is a neighborhood in Milwaukee, that kind of thing. Because by introducing a geographical element into each of these phrases, it ties them more directly to this business. You want to think in terms of what would someone type into Google if they were looking for a dentist like you in this neighborhood. And these are the phrases that apply in that way. The other best practices advice we have for you is to limit the number of phrases here to no more than 10. So you don't want to overload the system with 25 different phrases. Pick out your 10 best and focus on those. And again, use the Edit button to add or edit these phrases whenever you need to. Okay, below that, you can also change the cover image that is on the business profile. People frequently want to change the generic image that we put on the website to start out with. And you can also upload a logo for your business here that will be displayed on all of the emails that we send out to the customers. So it's important that you're happy with the cover photo and that you've uploaded a logo for your business. To do that, you click on Edit. And let me just show you how easy this is. So when this page opens, you come up here to the top where it says cover, and you choose the cover image you want to use off of your computer desktop, and then hit upload to upload that photo in place of the one we're currently using. Now the caveat here is that image needs to be 995 by 316 in terms of pixels. If it's anything other than these dimensions, the system will automatically stretch it or squash it to make it fit within that image size right there. So try and get it at the correct size. Same thing with the logo. We want you to upload a logo, which will be displayed on all of the emails that we're sending out to your customers. And you do it in the same way. Choose the logo off your computer desktop and then hit upload. But the caveat is the size needs to be 180 by 121 in terms of pixels. So try and get it exactly this size, otherwise it's going to get stretched or squashed to fit within that particular box size. Okay, so very easy to upload images in that way. Below the section of images under Setup Profile, you'll find time zone, languages, and payment options. So the time zone for your business, that's not going to change, but if so, hit edit if it's incorrect, for example. Languages. In this particular dental office, they have folks that speak English, Spanish, and Polish. If they hire anyone else that speaks, for example, German or Chinese or Russian, they're going to want to hit edit and add those languages into the list of languages that are spoken in your business. Payment options. Be specific. In this dental clinic, they take American Express, Discover, MasterCard, Visa, Cash, PayPal, Bitcoin, and barter. That's good. You want to list every possible way that someone could pay in this particular business of yours. Okay, below that, the business hours that you're open. These are the hours we pull directly from your website, so again, it should be perfect, but if not, hit edit. It's important that this is accurate because each day it's going to change and display the hours that they're open today based on this information, so it needs to be perfect. When a business account is created within our platform, we automatically go out on the web and we look for the business Facebook page, the Yelp page for the business, the Twitter page, the LinkedIn profile for the business, and the Google Plus page for the business. And we will display the addresses for those profiles here. If you have a profile and we did not pick it up for some reason automatically, then use the edit button to type in the address for your profile on Twitter, for example, or LinkedIn, and hit Save Changes so that we know what the addresses are for your most important social media profiles. Finally, down here at the bottom, you can also customize the elements of the review site itself. So frequently when we show the business this for the first time, they go, wow, this is really cool. But you know what? I don't want people to request appointments through this little review website. Can you get rid of this tab? Or they say to us, hey, can you rename this tab instead of appointment? We want it to say more information or consultation. Or instead of reviews, they want it to say testimonials, right? That kind of thing. So if you would like to remove a tab like the appointment tab or just change the name of it, that's exactly what you can do here where it says customize review site. So when you click edit, you'll see all of the tabs on the review website displayed. So reviews, feedback, about us, map, and appointment. So if you want to get rid of the appointment tab altogether, instead of display tab yes, you would toggle that to no. And now that tab is hidden. If you want to just change the name of it from appointment to consultation, you can do that, or more information, let's say. And then hit Save Changes if you make changes. The other thing you can do is you can add a redirect here. So if you would like when people click on the appointment tab, it takes them to another page, maybe a page on your website, your business website. You could type in the address that you want it to redirect to. Frequently, I hear about this one too. People want the feedback button to go somewhere else. So they type in maybe the address of their Yelp profile for their business, right? So when people click on feedback on the review website, it takes them directly to where they can write a review organically at Yelp, for example. So these are the kinds of things that you can do on this page to customize the tabs. The one exception is the Reviews tab. You cannot get rid of the Reviews tab. That will always be there. And you also cannot redirect to a different website from the Reviews tab. That remains static. You can change the name of the Reviews tab if you want it to be, testimonials, for example. You can do that easily. So these are the kinds of changes you can make easily, and hit Save Changes down here at the bottom. So these are all of the various ways that you can edit the basic information that we're using to build your business profile. And again, you find that under Setup Profile. Thank you very much for taking a few minutes out to watch this quick training video.